Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel Blonde Koala. My name is Andrea. I'm Indonesian and I'm a language addict. So today I will show you something special, but before that, please subscribe my channel. If you have, thank you very much. And I have a best friend in Japan. Her name is Mayuko. I called her Mayuko-chan. Kawaii desu ne. So yesterday she sent me these videos. She was snack shopping. She went to kombini. Kombini is Japanese words for convenience store. So she went there and then just checking out the snack, beverage, chocolate, something like this. I know maybe you will enjoy watching it. こんばんは。私の名前はアンドレアです。はじめまして。あれれら。OK。Take two. こんばんは。はじめまして。私の名前はアンドレアです。よろしくお願いします。Come on. Let's do this right. OK。皆様こんばんは。私の名前はアンジェラです。はじめまして。よろしくお願いいたします。このビデオが私のいい友達から来ました。no. このビデオが私のいい友達からもらいました。そうですね。次は何Okay, so just check it out. Oh my god. If I speak with two different languages or maybe three, my brain is like that. And okay, so whatever. Just check this video out, and I gotta tell you that she's a little bit shy. Really? No, she's not, but she's shy in this video. So just watch it, you guys, and let me know what kind of snack you like and you want to know. I mean Japanese snack or any other snack you want to know. Please write in my comments box below, and I will see you again after her videos. Okay?
Nice to meet you. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Mayu. I'm Japanese. I was born and raised in Japan. So I met Andrea 2 years ago. And we always talk about lots of things, language, culture, food, whatever we want. Almost every day. I really love her. Seriously. So anyway, I'm still studying English now. My grammar, pronunciation, so all of them. So not good yet. But I try my best. And sometimes I speak Japanese. If you are interested in Japanese, I will be happy. So also it's gonna be my first video in my life. And I'm a little shy. But please enjoy together. And so today I want to share Japanese convenience store snack to everyone. So let's go there. 行ってきます。今からコンビニエンスにやってきます。Let's go! 7-Eleven. So we usually buy stuff at convenience store a lot. So from now I'm gonna buy just 5 items that I think good snack top convenience store Mayu selection. Let's get started. Yes. さあ行きますよ。よし here is a magazine. Lots of Japanese traditional snack. Okay, what is the best? So, okay. Oh my god, so interesting. Here is a same flavored Kit Kat, but it was a message. Oh, thank you for your hard work. Be yourself and never give up. Wow, so cute. Delicious chips. So I can choose. I will choose. Also, this is Japanese brand. Name is Jagariko. Oh, azuki. Japanese azuki. I have never seen it. Okay, I'm gonna try it. にしますね。あ、さつまりこ迷う。Which one is better? こっち。Okay. Here is a chips. Package. So here is a small chocolate. So it's great for ladies. Not too much. Oh, this is Pocky. 抹茶味ですね。あといっぱいあって。So actually I have many pimples on my skin, on my face, because I love chocolate. Oh, okay. I chose one Pocky. Oh my god, so interesting. Here is a same flavored Kit Kat, but it was a message. Oh, thank you for your hard work. Be yourself and never give up. Wow, so cute. Also, I gonna choose this Starbucks Sakura ですね。桜も spring coming soon. So package is cute. Okay, this is a second item. Yay! お酒ですね。日本のお酒もありますが、unfortunately I can't drink. And when I was kids, I always buy this brand. So I'm gonna choose this one. 美味しそう。I feel nostalgic. Name is うまい棒。どれにしようかな。明太味。Okay. This one. じゃじゃじゃん。And I'm gonna buy it, and then when I get home, I'm gonna share it. じゃあね。
Guys, that was videos from Mayuko, her snack shopping in convenience store. I hope you enjoy watching, and please just let me know in the comments below what kind of Japanese snack that you always want to try. So see you in my next videos, and Mayuko-chan お疲れ様でした。ありがとうございました。大好きだよ。See you. Bye.